Oh my god, what is this? This is not giving me amazing volume. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the makeup products from the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar. I am also going to do lip swatches for all the products that I got. If you want to see the unboxing video, I will have a cut here so you can find it easier. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite product by Makeup Revolution, and also share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's start with the primer. I'm going to use the Anti-Shine Balm, and the sticker on my product, it says Ultra Shine Balm, but it doesn't make sense. I have checked on the box of my advent calendar and it says it is an Anti-Shine Balm. Also, some of you told me that it is an Anti-Shine Balm. I will use this one on the areas that most often I am getting shiny throughout the day, and on the rest of my face I'm going to use my regular primer. About the balm, I don't like this type of primers for my face because I'm not able to squeeze the product out and see how much I am using. Let me know if you have something similar to this one that you like. For foundation and concealer, I'm going to use some products that we didn't get from the advent calendar, and you can find them in the description box below. In the advent calendar we got an eye primer and I am going to apply it all over my eyelid. The eye primer is not very easily blended with your fingertips, so I would suggest using a sponge for that. This is the mirror that we get in the advent calendar. It's not very convenient to hold to do your makeup, but okay, I mean, it's small, you can have it in your purse. After that, I want to use the Strobe Balm in the shade Twist. This is a creamy highlighter and the shade is a little bit silvery, as I can see from the swatches. It's not something very noticeable. I will blend it with my sponge. With the sponge, you have more intensity of the sheen of the highlighter, but I don't think it will be very visible after a few hours. It's something very natural and you can have that with another primer. For example, you can use the Smashbox Primer Water and you can have a very glowy finish. You can also use the Essence Glow Boosting Primer. I will apply some on the nose as well. I will try to blend it with my sponge. Maybe it will look better. I'm not very impressed with this Strobe Balm. If you don't set your makeup and you like this light sheen, you may like this product. On top of the Strobe Balm, I want to apply the baked highlighter in the shade Golden Light. This one you can find it in the regular line of Makeup Revolution products, and you can find the full size. All the face products that we got are in mini size. With E40 brush by Sigma, I'm going to take some of this highlighter. Ooh, that's very blinding. Oh my god, what is this? Ooh, what's happening? This is unreal. This is a light golden highlighter. I will set the rest of my face with my setting powder. We didn't get a setting powder in the advent calendar. My forehead is looking a little bit patchy over this area that I have applied the Anti-Shine Balm. On my cheeks it looks fine. I am also going to set the eye primer with a little bit of the setting powder. I look crazy with this highlighter. We also got some tiny brushes. This one here is the concealer and foundation brush. The bristles are very long for my concealer. The brush, it is very small for foundation. This is a very weird brush for me, so I will try to use this one for my blush. This is a travel powder brush, very small. This is what I usually use for my face. I mean, yeah, okay, it is a travel brush, but we should have the bristle size the same. After that, I want to use the baked bronzer that we don't have a name for the shade. This is not swatching very nice. I don't know if it is going to be visible on my skin. On my face, I can see the color. I don't think this will work for someone with darker skin tone. This baked bronzer, it doesn't have a very intense sheen, and I like how it looks because I preferred matte products for my contouring. I have used it like I usually contour my face. I didn't apply it like a bronzer, and when you bronze your skin, it means that you apply the product on the areas that you get tanned naturally from the sun, and when you contour your face, you intensify the bone structure. You can also give the illusion of a different bone structure. So this blends nice with the highlighter. It's not very nice that we don't have another product for darker skin tones, or this one, it shouldn't be that light shade that we have. I'm going to use this brush to apply the product on my nose. I thought that this wouldn't work for me, but I like how it looks because it's not very shiny. Actually, it's not shiny. It is like a matte product that it's not completely matte. I want to apply some blush, and I will try with this powder brush, and I will use this one. This is the Catrice blush box in the color Golden Coral. For blush, this is not a bad brush. The handle is not very short. You can hold it and blend your product. Okay, so I didn't get any products for the brows. I'm going to do them off camera, and you can find everything in the description box below. We got 2 palettes in the advent calendar, and I will try to use both of them. We have this reloaded palette, and this is in the shade Authority, and also we got this little palette here that has only matte eyeshadows. With this tiny eyeshadow brush, I will take this light pink champagne eyeshadow, and I will apply it on my brow bone. This is such a small brush. It's very difficult to hold this one. This brush is not working for me. I will try with my eyeshadow brush by Essence. Again, take a little bit of this. Oh, this eyeshadow actually has a very nice sheen. After that, with an eye blender brush by Essence, I will take this light beige eyeshadow and I will apply it into my crease. I don't really like this shade, so I will take a little bit of the first eyeshadow that we have in the corner and I will blend it into my crease. This one is a warmer shade and it gives a little bit of color. I think I don't like the eye primer because it doesn't cover my veins that I have on my eyes, that they are very visible, and I'm not able to see the eyeshadows. If your veins are not very visible on you, maybe you will like this eye primer. I don't like it. That's the reason that I always use a concealer for my eyelid, and that's usually the case when you have dry skin, because dry skin usually is thin skin and you can see the veins. Usually that's the case. Of course, there are always exceptions. Not everybody is the same. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I will take another crease color, this one here in the second row, and I will try to intensify my crease. I'm not loving the crease colors that I have used, and I have used 3 eyeshadows. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take the blue eyeshadow and I will apply it in the outer third of my eyelid. That's a very pretty eyeshadow and it looks like that without any setting spray. I like this eyeshadow. I am cleaning my brush on a tissue and after that I will blend the edges. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take the white silvery eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner eyelid. This eyeshadow is very intense only with a dry brush. I will take some with my fingertip just to see how it looks. Yeah, you can make it even more intense if you want. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I will take the same light brown eyeshadow and I will apply it in the outer crease. After that, with a smudging brush, I will take this burgundy eyeshadow and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. I like the shimmer eyeshadows of this palette. I don't want to say I don't like the palette. I want to try again the matte eyeshadows on top of my concealer. Maybe I don't like them today because of the eye primer, so I don't want to say this palette is not good. After that, I will take this light peach eyeshadow and I will blend the edges of my lower lash line. That doesn't look bad. Okay, so I want to intensify a little bit my outer corner and I will use this little palette. And as we can see, the pans are very thin. I will try to get only one color. I will take this angled crease brush by Essence and this dark brown eyeshadow that we have. It has some kickback. Tap the excess off. And I will apply it only in the outer corner of my eye. I don't like the shape of the pans. If you can find a brush that can fit in there, you can make it work. Okay, that was very easy to intensify my outer corner. I like how this eyeshadow blended. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I will take the black eyeshadow of this tiny palette and I will apply it very close to my lashes. This is a very nice black eyeshadow. I don't need a lot of product to make my lashes look fuller. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I will take again the white silvery eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner corner. The eyeshadow palettes are not bad. I want to continue using them. I don't want to say that I don't like this palette because the eye primer didn't cover some of my discoloration today. For mascara, I'm going to use the Amazing Volume Mascara by Makeup Revolution. This one was not in the advent calendar. I want to try it, but you know, oof, that's a weird applicator. I think it is a little bit too big for the opening of my eye. Wish me luck. I hope I will not poke my eyes. Oh my god, this is difficult. This is a very big applicator for my eye. This is not giving me amazing volume. This mascara smells like shampoo. FYI, as we can see, it's not very volumizing. I like that it defines the lashes and it doesn't make them clumpy, but I don't like the applicator. I'm not able to use it very easy for my eye shape and also for my eye size. If you have bigger eyes, maybe you can make this one work for you. Let me know in the comments if you have tried another mascara by Makeup Revolution and also if you have tried this one. Also, this is not a very easy mascara to remove if you let it dry. It stains the skin and it can ruin your makeup. We also have some lip products. I will swatch all of them on my lips. I will start with the lip gloss in the shade Soul. So this is a squeezable lip gloss. It has a thick consistency. It doesn't look very smooth on my lips. It intensifies a little bit my lines. I have exfoliated my lips with sugar and honey and I will continue with this amazing lipstick in the shade Embrace. I'm not loving this formula. This one doesn't look very smooth on my lips. It is a little bit slippery and it looks patchy every time I press my lips together. It feels a little bit greasy. It doesn't stay in place. So I want to see the other colors as well. After that, we have the shade Swish. This one has a light brown caramelly color. It doesn't look bad, but I don't like that the consistency feels greasy. This looks smoother on my lips and I like it a little bit better. On top of that, I'm going to apply the lip gloss that we got in the advent calendar and this is in the shade Clarity. It is a clear lip gloss. And I want just to see how it looks on top of this lipstick. And let's clean that up. This clear lip gloss is very glossy. It looks very nice on top of the lipstick. Afterwards, we have the amazing lipstick in the shade Affection. This one is not very smooth on the lips. It looks a little bit greasy. The color is not opaque on my upper lip when I am pressing my lips together. After that, we have the shade Powerful. This is a bright red orange lipstick. This one has a slippery formula as well and it's better if you outline the lips and after that apply this lipstick. This looks more opaque on the lips. It's not looking greasy like the previous one. This one is looking smoother on the lips. Let's continue with the shade Crush. This one is looking very nice on my lips, most probably because it is a shade very similar to my own lip color. I like how it looks. After that, I will apply the shade Shimmer. This is like a dark mauvish red lipstick. It's not very opaque on my lips as well. The lipsticks have a slippery formula. If you want to make them more long lasting, it is better to use a lip pencil all over your lips. I like the makeup look that I have created today, and I think my favorite products are the baked bronzer and also the baked highlighter. They blended very nice on my skin. And my least favorite products are the brushes. They are very small, they are not easy to use and hold into your hand, especially the eye brushes. Don't waste your time. This one here, I still don't know how I'm going to use it. Let me know if you have any ideas. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you like the products of this advent calendar. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!